What's up guys? So today we're going to compare HIDs versus LEDs. A lot of you already know by now that HIDs are very cheap. You can get them pretty much for like 40 bucks on eBay. So most of you guys know what HIDs are. HID stands for high intensity discharge lamps. Pretty much it's like an electrical gas and it makes light. It's crazy. So here I have a set of Performance Bodega LED lights. They specialize in LED lights and they manufacture these lights. Pretty much the real deal when it comes to LED lighting. Here's what they look like. Let's compare both of them side by side. So here's the LED assembly, and now the HID assembly. Okay, so here's the LED and here's the HID assembly. Looks like the LED is very simple. Plug it up to your OEM harness and you're done. The HIDs are two-piece. Wire the bulb to the ballast, like so, and then hook up your headlights to here. Here's what the HID looks like up close. It's pretty small compared to the LEDs. The LED's a lot thicker. The LED kit has 4 LED strips all the way around. And then the HID is pretty much just like a glass. I also noticed the LED is vented in the back. Could be a fan to allow cool air to get in there and cool it down. Because these things get hot. The back of the HID is just standard. So I think this design is very nice. This is for the same car, so the bulbs are exactly the same. This part's gonna stick out behind the headlight. Okay, so now we're gonna demonstrate both of them side by side. I set the camera really dark so you can actually see the bulb warm up on the HIDs. Versus the LED, which should just turn on instantly. Alright, now they're fully up to temperature. The headlights are scratched up, but here's a good example of what the LED's shine looks like. You can also hear the fan. And here's the HID. It's a nice cool temperature. Here we're going to demonstrate them on the wall so you can see how long the HID takes to warm up versus the LED on this side. You can see the hot circle from the projector on the HID, but then it just fades off to the sides. On the LED, you cannot really tell where the hot spot is. It's just bright throughout. One thing that you guys gotta keep in mind is a car like this, like a DC2 Integra, has projector headlamps. So EKs, EGs, EFs, you know, stuff like that, like 8th gen Civics, they don't have that. So your HID is gonna be a lot brighter than what they are with a projector, because there's another layer that's going between the bulb and what you're looking at. Projectors do a good job of keeping everything level. Huge shout out to Performance Bodega for letting me try out these LED lights. If you're interested in getting a set for your car, they do have HIDs and LEDs and a high powered LED as well if you're looking to get something that's high powered. I'll leave their info in the description below. You can go check them out. Until next time guys, peace.